How to log into BMO Harris Bank Online. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to easily log into the BMO Harris Bank Online. The first thing you have to do is open up your web browser and search for BMO Harris Login. You'll see the first option. Just head over to bmo.com. Click on it and then you'll be taken directly to their official site. Now if you are new to the bank, you can just click on the Enroll Now button to simply go ahead and create a new account. And if you are an existing user, just tap on the sign in button at the top. Tap on sign in again. And then you should be able to head over to the login portal where you have an option to enter your username or user ID and your password. Just go ahead and fill out all of these. In case you've forgotten your user ID, tap the first option. In case you've forgotten the password, tap on the forgot password option. And if you are using your private device, you could just go ahead and select this toggle so that you don't have to enter your user ID every time you try to log in. You can just go ahead and click on sign up and you'll be good to go. From there, after logging in, you should be able to make payments, view statements, and manage your account. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful and I'll catch you on the next one.